Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you create a group chat on Facebook Messenger 2026 updated method. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the Facebook Messenger application and make sure you can log into your current account. After that, at the top right corner, you can see the box pencil icon. Tap on it to open the page. Here you can various options there. Simply find the group chat name option. Tap on it to open the page. Now you can see all of the chat conversation listed appear. Simply select the person if you want to add your group. Make sure you can select multiple person, not be one person. After you selected, tap on the next button. Here you can simply give it a group name. For example, I am this FF group, so I am type FF. If you type any other, if you like. Once you successfully type, simply make sure this group is checkmark selected, not be community. Then hit create button at the top right corner and automatically create the group. If you want to add any person, simply tap on the add button and then add other person if you like. However, if you want to change the name, simply tap on the name button, then change the name if you like. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video. I will see you in the next video.